Hello, everyone. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you about that day. You quickly rush, go and watch this particular video to help yourself and help your school, help your community, help your environment, help your local government, your state, your country, and help the world at large. So today we are going to be looking at position. Today we're going to be looking at position. So this is a video on how to compute student result using Microsoft Excel. So please make sure you understand every bit of this particular video. And if you don't understand anything, please just drop it down on my comment section. I will follow back and then I will reply you. And then make sure you fix it the way my own is. Thank you. So finding the position, we use the average to find the position in the particular class, right? So what you're going to do at this particular point in time is remember we find position in the CA sheet. That is, for example, religious studies. See, look at the formula we use to find the position. Equals to rank. We use the function rank. So remember that you are going to use the same thing. Now click on that particular cell where you need the position to appear. Then you check the average, the first average. What is the cell address of the first average? Now it's CZ5. So what you're going to do at this particular point in time, you press or you enter your equal sign, CZ5. Oh, sorry, rank. That is the function. Open bracket. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm just overwhelmed about this. Overexcited self. Now, CZ5, comma, dollar sign what? Dollar sign CZ, dollar sign 5. Cool. Then column to where? Now you are not going to do it to this particular place. You're going to do it to this particular place. So you can either just clean this CZ. Okay, we need it. We need the C. We need the dollar sign. The dollar sign will affect us. CZ5, right? So then I will use column. Then I will select. I will check from here, from the first average. What is the cell address of the last average? Is CZ14. So now I'll type dollar sign CZ dollar sign 14, comma 0, close bracket, press enter. The first Biliamin Abubakar is the 4th position. So if I copy this particular formula for the rest of the student, I'll find the first person, the first score, the first student, the student that took the first position in the class is Samson Alba. That's me, man. It's not like yeah, for this particular video it's me, but I know truly me in the class, I don't used to take first position, but this particular training I'm the first position. Glory be to God. Now you see, this is how you find the position. Simple as ABCD. No, even though I know ABCD is not simple, but it's simple right now. So please, if you like this particular video, you can do yourself good, do your friends good by liking this particular video, because this is how you share this particular video on the YouTube community so that everybody can see. Till we meet in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.